We're here at Mather, big air show, about to get underway this weekend. I'm here with John, and what are we standing in front of, John?
This airplane is the Nanchang CJ-6. It's actually a Chinese aircraft. The Chinese Air Force uses it as a basic trainer. They have since 1958. They just quit making them 2 years ago. They're still using them.
So you're taking me up in a Chinese airplane?
I am. Yeah. And matter of fact, all the instruments, I only have 3 American instruments in it. The FAA requires the airspeed, vertical velocity indicator, and altimeter to be in U.S. units. Well, the Chinese use Arabic numbers, but if you see in the back, they use millimeters of mercury instead of inches, and the altimeters in meters, and the airspeeds in kilometers per hour. It's a little strange.
It's starting to make me a little nervous, John, but you can read that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
It looks the same whether you're right side up or upside down.
Are you trying to tell me something?
No,
Are we going upside down?
If you want, we can go upside down.
Well done that. Ready to go for a ride?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. Anybody barf in that thing yet? Or what?
No? Well, what'd you have for breakfast?
I had an Egg McMuffin.
Okay, well generally we recommend you eat a banana.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because they taste the same going up as they do coming down.
Let's go.
Okay, now we turn around and we do the
Appreciate
shake.
it.
Awesome.
You did good.